Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this Hermit Crab in Fish It Roblox. So the Hermit Crab is one of the mythic tier fish in the game, and in here I'm going to show you how you can get this one. So first, as for the location, as you guys can see, I've already on the Crater Islands. The hermit crab is one of the fish from the islands in here. So if you want to catch the hermit crab, you can just go to the island, and for the location, this is where I got the mythic fish. And for the road, I'm using element road with singularity bait. You can just try fish using your best rod in the Crater Island to get the mythic hermit crab. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.